Hello, everyone. All right, hold on. Gotta do the. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a day off. So I'm actually about to eat some food. My food is right there. About to do a journey though. We're gonna go on New York's Metro North New Haven line. Where my final destination is, I'm not sure. But the reason why I'm vlogging this is because I'm taking my scooter. So you guys seen a bike day, so I'm gonna do a scooter day today. And just want to get outside because look how bright it is. It's beautiful, it's nice. I look great in the sun. So I'm gonna finish eating. It's 12:45 now. Should be out of here by like 1:30, so I can maybe get a 1:45 train. So I got about an hour to get myself ready and get the hell out of here before rush hour starts on Metro North. Hey Siri, stop music. All right, so we are just out the shower. I was gonna go up to New Haven, but that journey right now is 2 hours. I need to be up at like 10 o'clock to get all the way up there. I wanted to go to New London, Connecticut. Don't think I'm gonna do that. So we're just gonna do a scooter journey again from the White Plains train station. We'll go up somewhere along the Harlem line and we'll just find something to do up there. Because I know it's not gonna take me 2 hours to get to fucking White Plains. It's gonna take me 25 minutes. Cause what? I feel bad for people who live all the way up in New Haven. But when they're coming down to New York, there are express trains or super express or semi-express trains. But the train going back up during like the midday or off-peak hours makes all local stops after Stanford. That's a lot. I'm not doing that. Absolutely not. All right, we made it on a cold ride all the way here to 125th Street Station. Now to get on board this train. Lovely. Alright, so we're on board the train. This is Mount Haven Yard. We are on a Harlem Line train next at White Plains, my destination. And then from there we'll venture around Westchester County, lower Westchester County. Oh, a truck on the tracks. Another truck on the tracks. So we are literally about 5 minutes away from our destination. Where are we gonna go? Along the old bike path. So you've seen the bike path route on YouTube from the Bronx to White Plains, but on the scooter today we'll go from White Plains to however far up I would like to go. I'm not really sure how far up I want to go today, but we are going up along the corridor that we've already completed further up north. So yay. And then the sun is like blinding me. I wish it wasn't so many trees like flickering. But this station is Hartsdale. As you leave the train, please step over the gap between the train and the platform. Where is it? Platform. There you are. Alright, well, we caught a video. You seen our train. It was the M7A equipment running up to Southeast. I think it stops at North White Plains, Valhalla, Pleasant Plains, Pleasantville, I think, Golden's Bridge, Katona, Brewster, and Southeast. Now we're going to figure out where we're going to go ride this scooter at. Well, isn't this interesting? This deadhead is coming down the north. I don't know why Metro North love doing this. On my last video, they did this. I think this is hilarious. Express train to Grand Central, next stop Fordham. Make sure you're on the right train. This train will not make intermediate stops. Next stop Fordham. That's what they be saying on these trains. All right, so we're downstairs on the White Plains parking lot side of the station. We were waiting for Victor because apparently he is free and he's down for a ride. A ride is always good. He is actually going to be riding his bike, and today I'm having my scooter. Okay, but we need to turn the light off. We don't need the light on. We are not, it's like high day. Make sure you're on the right train. You get on the wrong train, you will be paying the extra fee. Stand clear of the closing doors, please. All right. What's up?
What's up, buddy?
We got Victor, y'all.
What's good, y'all?
All right, so he has the Eco Trek, and I have the Apollo City 2022, and we are about to head up, excuse me. So you guys see me arrive from here, so we're gonna continue going up the route this way. This is from the last vlog with the bike.
Of course.
Yes. All right, yes, we have the helmet on. We had to take a break because we have no gloves. And we're like moving mad fast. We're about 3 miles. Okay, I got an email. We're about 3.6 miles in. Excuse me, 2.3 miles in. My scooter's saying 3 miles, but I think it was covered. So it is 2.3 roughly. We stopped on a incline. Hopefully no bikes or anybody else is coming right now, but we needed to take a pause. We're just stopped. We have red signals ahead of us. It's all clear though. It is really cold. But we're having fun. I don't know where we're gonna go, but we're going somewhere. We're just.
Most likely.
I don't think my scooter can go up that.
We're not going up the hill, just.
Gonna go to the dam?
Yeah.
All right, so we're gonna go towards the dam. We're gonna go to the base of the dam, and then from there. Oh, there's a bike coming. We gotta split. Gotta move over on this side. Move over more. Oh, an Islanders fan. That's my job. Anyways, we are about to continue our ride, and we'll see us at the next destination. I don't know where the next destination. Oh wait, we have a guest, everyone. So they're going to speak on speaker. Yes, there's 2 phones. Go ahead.
Hi everyone, I just want to say, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to Jay Griffith because his videos are about to be real lit. We have a special trip that we're going on. I can't wait for you guys to come along with us. It's going to be fun. And them pineapples are going to be upside down if y'all know what I mean.
Okay. Y'all already know whose voice that is, but he's a special guest. We just reconnected to do more YouTube videos, so yay, YouTube! All right, you guys will see me at the bottom of Valhalla Dam. Woo! I know you guys can hear the wind in the mic, so I'm trying to cover it as much as I can. But this is the Valhalla Dam. I've definitely been up top here. I might find like a clip from my Instagram story. We're not going up top there today because I'm not carrying the scooter. So we're gonna continue straight down to the base. But this is the bottom of the dam. All right. I think 8 miles later, we have made it to where I was gonna come to today, since it's too cold to go up to the top of the dam. This is some park that I remember coming to the very first time we had our bikes, and what made me remember this park is this. As a kid, I used to see it all the time, but I never used to see them in person. Who's calling? Hold on. Anyways, the call was spam. But look at this. We got a little bridge, this nice little pond. But this is why I remember this park. As a kid, I always used to see totem poles. I never seen a totem pole in person. And look, there's a totem pole. So cool.
That is cool.
We got Victor.
Yep.
And then we just have this pond-like area. There's a lot of bugs. It's not even friggin' spring yet, and these bugs is flying around, and they're not about to harass me while I relax. But yeah, this is the little area I was coming to. I think we're just gonna park our bikes and scooter here, and I'm gonna just go up top and relax for a little bit. All right, so we made it to America's favorite, McDonald's. So we're hungry. I'm always hungry. And it's time to eat something. So we're gonna sit out here because we got our babies. A diesel, the Passaic Express. All right. Damn, the next stop on that train is Southeast. All right, we're gonna get McDonald's. All right, so we got our McDonald's. He is devouring his food already. Okay, I'm hungry too. So I got a quarter pounder with cheese for free. And I got the McDouble, whatever, the McChicken and the small fries and the soda. And I paid for it. Yes, lovely. We out. Let's eat. You already eat it. All right, so we made it back to the Metro North. This station is Pleasantville. So this is the train to Grand Central. What's the next stop? The next station is Hawthorne. So we are waiting for our train. It's about 6 minutes out. It's cold because we were on our vehicles. But
I kind of have a malfunction.
you have a malfunction? You know, every time I record my vlog and you have your bike, you always have some type of technical difficulty with your bike. Always. You need to SMS your bike. Schedule maintenance servicing. But it was great to drag you out. All right. Oh, we got to end the workout on our watches. See, this is why you don't give people cell phones. These too control. Right now we're about to hit Valhalla, where we just was. See the dam. I'm gonna go home once the train stops at Fordham Crowd. 1C ride. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna take this semi-express. Go down to Harlem now. Because the sun is setting fast. And I don't want to get to the city too late in the dark. I just want to get home, and it's cold. It's really cold. Didn't want to just chill. I mean, I had obviously people to hang out with, but didn't want to be by myself. But might as well take the journey now. Once I just activate. I already have it activated, so you're gonna activate on the second. Let's get off at Harlem.
As you leave the train, please watch the gap between the train and the platform.
All right, so we have made it into Harlem, 125th Street. I'm about to ride home, and then we'll continue the vlog once we get inside the apartment. If it's too cold to vlog and have a phone out, absolutely not. I'm gonna try and get my ass home in like 5 minutes. And just like that, I am back in my crib. Let me see. Today was lit. It was great. I didn't do a lot of recording of what I was like doing due to the fact that it is really hard to record on a scooter, because a scooter is not like how a bike is. A bike is a lot more easier to record on compared to a scooter, because a scooter is like momentum. It can literally kill you. I'm not even gonna hold you. But other than that, it was fun. It was great to go just literally out of New York City. It's always great to leave New York City because the constant horns blowing, that, I'm guessing that's one of those gas-powered mopeds and whatnot. But it was fun to hang out with Vic, ride the rails, of course, and come back home to my storage yard here in Harlem. I'm gonna use my Apple TV, finish catching up on a show, play a couple of games. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Next time we'll have like more of a set destination. I did have a set destination in the beginning of the vlog. I definitely did say I was going to Stanford. I mean, not Stanford. I was going on the New Haven line, which is the red trains. But due to the time going up there, it just didn't make any sense for me to go all the way up to. So I was gonna go to New Haven and get on something called CT Rail, which has something called the Shoreline East. I didn't even realize I'm not. Shoreline East, and we were gonna go to New London, Connecticut. But I'm gonna do that a day that I can wake up at like maybe 10 or maybe 8 o'clock, take the train all the way up. I'll get up there and I'll have like more time. And on top of that, I don't want to do it during this cold season because we'll be on the waterfront. So we will wait. I don't know if I'll take my bike or my scooter up there, but we'll see. And again, today was fun and today was cool. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop the subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Join this crew. We travel a lot. Take public transportation, planes, cars, and then some. And don't forget to drop a comment. Keep interactive. Follow on my social media. It'll be down below. And I don't know why the video just cut off, but see you guys another time, place, century. May the odds be ever in your motherfucking good damn favor. Goodbye.